Hello guys, welcome to my today's video. This is Krishna MIttal I, and welcome to my channel Krishna MIttal I. Today we are going to do the most awaited video, books that I use for NEET. So let's start with biology. For biology, a Bible, NCERT is a must, and of course my teachers told me that this book NCERT at your fingertips is the best book to practice, and it has many concepts which are like explained very nicely. You can have a look. It has some HD pages which has diagrams, like they are very bright, they are very attractive, and even the physicswallah's Biswajit sir also told us that you should follow this book after doing each and every chapter, and if you do with this book, like concepts will be very cleared. And it contains like many questions, assertion, reason corner, AR corner, and it also has previous year questions, all the things that you need to crack NEET. And the third book that I use for biology is this from Arihant, Master the NCERT biology book. You can order either this one or the fingertips one. If you have to order one, then most preferably the fingertips one. This is the second option. This also you can order. I just wanted to have a look at the variety of questions that different books offer. So guys, now let us talk about chemistry. So guys, in chemistry we have two books of NCERT only, so like yes, you'll have to follow. So guys, these books I have not started using each and every book, but I have just brought it after watching some good YouTube videos from reputed channels, and also after talking to my coaching teachers, and after taking the suggestions of Physicswallah's teachers. So guys, here you can have a look that for organic chemistry I am using the book from MS Chauhan, Organic Chemistry, which is the Shri Balaji's publications. Like this book was also very good. I also got a solution book free with the book. And then guys, I also ordered the book in Organic Chemistry, and guys, this book was by VK Jaiswal, and everyone told that for chemistry, organic, inorganic and physical, three books, this like in the physical chemistry was by N Avasthi. These three books are the best book, and these are all the NEET version. So if you are giving JE, then please do buy the JE version. And also I have brought this Master the NCERT one. The reason why I didn't brought the fingertips one is that the fingertips book I will solve at the end after giving 12th. So guys, now let's have a look at the books that I use for physics. For physics also two books are there for NCERT. Like if you are giving NEET, these books are really helpful, but if you are planning to give JE, then it's not so helpful. It is as told to me by my teachers. And for physics, we have one Bible for each and every subject, that is NCERT, but for physics we have two Bibles, the NCERT one and the concepts of physics ones. Everyone told me to buy it, like, but this is also optional. If you are like doing self-study, then this is like really helpful. Then guys, for problem solving, you can always refer this DC Pandey's book. This is volume 1, that is for class 11 only. Yes guys, this book was also good. Like it also had like basic problems. I have solved the vectors and the basic maths concepts from these books only. So guys, my last book for physics is the Master the Physics book. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please like it, share it, comment karo, subscribe karo, and I hope we'll meet you soon. Bye bye.